Please work on this assignment. No! The funny thing is, I'm like, Miss, I don't work on anything during class, but I have a 96 in your class. So let me do what I do. I don't tell you how to teach, you don't tell me how to do homework. Easy, easy. Alright, thank you, Miss. Much respect, much vibes. Vibing with you, no cap. You know, okay? Bro, you don't vibe no more. Remember how you used to vibe, Gabe, and now you don't vibe? Because you're too cool for me? Gabe, you're a popular kid now. After you start talking to Madison, you're a popular kid.
Huh?
After you start talking to Madison, you became a popular kid.
Huh?
After you start talking to Madison, you became a popular kid.
You cut out.
Maybe you're just a deaf kid. I don't know. I think I'm.
You cut out.
Nah.
I don't know, repeat.
No, I won't. I won't. Because I take it back. What I said about you, huh? Hey! Don't hit my egg. Hey! That's not nice. Remember, who's because of bells. Moonlighter, moonlighter, moonlighter. I can't play that song because it reminds me of you. I am drinking because it reminds me of you. Mind me again. Bro, I see you flying across the map. Don't even cap on me right now. Oop. Where y'all spawn? Okay. I take it you died.
Okay, before you just finish going through your Google Docs, again, make sure on the second one, like for the security one, don't copy and paste that whole paragraph. Just put like briefly, like what they did. So like that they had like security guards, or like that they had to wear a badge. How they have a machine that like screens them for how much radiation they have, or like when they're coming in and out of their power plant, but things like that. And then like I said, the numbers are just gonna be numbers, so that's fine. If you like, for how long will the material stay radioactive, you could just put like what it says in the article. And then same thing for the gallons of water. And make sure you guys are going on to the next line when you're typing in your answer. Some of you are answering up here, like on the question. Make sure you go down to the next space and then start typing in your answer.
Miss, did you know some of us even aren't even answering?
You guys have questions. Again, all the information is on the articles or the links that are there. Just let me know if you guys have questions. I'll keep like popping in and out of the docs as well.
Do this. Yeah, just like do this. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'll put this one. Man's committed suicide, bro. Oh my god, game, my fucking ears! I hear. I'm like, oh. Remind me again. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Me again. Who I am. Me again. Who I am. Oh. Hey, how'd you hear me? That's all. What? Right, let me say what I heard, Gabe. That's what I heard. I don't know. I could just be on crack. I don't know. Huevos con chorizo, chicos tacos, how may I help you? Gabe, what are you sucking for crying out loud? Damn it, Gabe! What the? Gabe, you're sucking on something, and it's like going slurp slurp. That's annoying. So you like gonna answer like, bruh? You just gonna be like, fine, fuck you. Oh, you got so goddamn lucky. You know what? You're so lucky. You're so fucking lucky. Yeah.
I should be like, Mr. Usually.
What?
Give us that to my outfit fam.
Oh. Time yours, Gabe. You getting clout. You getting clout from Fit Fam is all time. Is the only thing that's happening. No.
Please.
No. Does man's not have bunks? Oh, you're such a bitch, you know that? Oh my god. Bro, fuck you and you too. Ooh. Wait for this. No! Fuck!
You have a lot of hair under your paws. He does. I could tickle his paws now.
I don't know about you, but I don't like tickling my dog's feet.
It's like the best.
No.
Okay.
I'm not a fucking pedophile. I don't go up to dogs. Like I don't go up to you like, huh, can I pet your dog's feet? Imagine just going up. I'm like, can you
Tickle your dog.
can you flip over your dog so I can pet his feet? It's like the fuck. I thought you said you want to pet him, not molest him. It's like no.
So I'm just chilling here watching this movie. Now watch this part. Hold on. This part right here. It's the PS5!
Oh, sheep!
Wow! So I'm just...
Gabe, the PS5 was leaked before we even knew it.
Oh. Lego. 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 Lego, you here? Bruh. Lego.
Remind me again. Who's fucking who? Remind me again. Yeah.
Lego.
I can hear you when I'm taking a piss. Yes, what?
Look at this, look at this. Right?
Look at what? I'm not seeing shit, Gabe.
Wait.
Now we should do, Gabe? We should start a Minecraft channel of us playing on... What is this?
This is Forza.
Oh, he's drifting.
Okay, but look.
Oh wait, I hit the next one. So.
That was sick.
That was dope.
Sick. God, Jesus, your car's quick. Not yet.
He's like, dang, your car's quick. Going 210.
Okay, just... Trust it.
He went too far.
Oh, he runs the...
First times. Never done before.
Never hit the second one in my life.
This is my first time. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Do you know what? This is actually my first day playing this game. I've never played this game before.
So when do they get into the drift? Oh, right here.
Jesus Christ!
Yo, that Mini Cooper though.
Yeah, next century.
Oh, these traffic cars just spawning in my hand, you know. And I just had to fucking pull. A fucking stupid shit fucking name for a ball Nicholas. And fucking balls.
Oh. Which way? Right.
Straight to the right, straight to the right.
Left hander before the castle.
Yeah.
And then like carry on drifting down and then go left and then go right.
What are you trying to do?
What? Now.
Try to drift.
Too quick. I'm hitting the church.
Try to all the stuff.
I'm hitting the church. I'm gonna kill the kids.
Full circle.
Okay, you just absolutely destroyed a taxi.
Yeah, does that fuck the password me in the process?
He's tanking it.
You and Josh did?
Yeah. Follow him. I'm nowhere near you.
Hit the tree.
Alright, around there. Oh my god!
Go down here. Yeah, just straight down. Straight
Wait.
I'm just gonna throw this way.
Okay, yeah.
You should make a Minecraft channel with me and you, and I just carry you in all Egg Wars games, you know?
No.
Why? Gabe, I'm crap.
I am too. Craft at Fortnite, my god.
Alright, okay, never mind. Forget what I said. I never want to talk to you. Remind me again. Remind me again. Oh, yo, I have my camera
I'll make
on.
another world in Minecraft.
No, Gabe, we should play Minecraft Egg Wars on PC. But no. Still broadcasting. Broadcast. 0 people are watching. Nice. Remind me again. Remind me again. You. Hey. Watermelon sugar. Hi, watermelon sugar. Hi, watermelon sugar. Hi, watermelon sugar. Look amazing. My friend, you did not make it. Sorry, it's Endgame for you.
Turn on your camera so I can take attendance really quick.
Oh, Miss, problem. Miss, we have a problem. My egg's about to get taken from me, though.
Wait, work up to 1 week late. So please.
No, see, you're a bitch.
Today,
You're a bitch for doing that. You know,
the
you
latest
can get off.
you could
Get
turn
off.
it in
Get off.
next
Get off.
Tuesday.
Huh? What are we doing? Bro, I see you, Oren. You look like an onion, but it's fine.
Okay, so just keep that in mind, and it's like that for all the assignments.
Isaac? Ooh, let's see this, Isaac. Ooh. That dress. Isaac, that dresser, though.
Giggle with them lights, though.
I lost the remote. I can't find it. So it's stuck on white. I have all the colors white. Damn it, man. Got me my feels, no cap. Like, when I'm trying to get my feels, it's white. I'm
My
like,
hair messed up.
huh?
My hair's messed up.
You're always messed up. Huh, this guy. Just playing.
There's a part, this part right here just messes up.
Yeah, I would show you my hair, but no one wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. Just saying. Remind me again. Remind me again. When I talk about it, ooh,
Game mode. Survival.
Okay, guys, so this is what
Miss, if I sing for the class, can I have mute? Imagine. Bye, Miss. Have a good day.
Why you make your voice deep? Bye, man.
Bye, Miss. Have a good day. I'm trying to sound like a pussy. Hey, that's not nice. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Thanks, Mr. Narwhal. Oh, pee pee, poo poo. Oh, oh. I'm not sure what's higher, your ego or me. Huh. Did you like that? I'm not sure what's higher, your ego or me. Mr. Blue, sir, I need to tell you about the Juan Gabriel. He's a very famous singer from Guadalupe. Would you like to hear more about them? Just click here for a 5-minute video and you'll get 10 minutes of ad-free music. What the fuck? Where'd you go? Oh, it's right here. Boop. Hey, man. Bye. Remind me again. Who's fucking on it? Remind me again. Just saying, Gabe, I'm cracked at Minecraft. What the? Bro, stop doing that. Fucking, I'm gonna throw your computer next time you do that.
Really?
I'm behind you. You look behind you. Oh shit. Remind me again. Who's fucking Bro, Damon's going to my drive-by. You're going to my drive-by. Bro, I'm a famous boy. I got all of people coming. I only got 2 girls though, you know, because I ain't no player.
Who?
Bao and Charlotte.
Really?
What do you mean, really? Yes, really. Boy, what? You're underestimating me? Think I can't get more girls to come? Watch me, I can get the whole cheerleading team to come. Imagine. Shit.
You won't. I know.
I'm like, hey, yo, if y'all go, there's pizza. And they're like, I bet. I'm like, oh, I bet.
$50 is a real.
Oh, I forgot they're not fat. They're not fat like us. We have makeup for free. Oh, damn, they'd all be on us. They'd be like, oh, really? Okay, I'll be there. My mans, you're building higher than the Empire State Building.
I know for a fact you won't.
Invite Haley. Oh shit! Imagine. I laugh.
Bro.
She's like, okay. She's like, all right. I'm like, if you go, I don't know, just fucking go, please. I was like, all right, okay.
She said say last.
She's like, She's trying to be like, what are you giving away something? Like, yeah, I give you a pizza. She's like, I bet. I'm like, oh, wait, actually? She's like, yeah.
Giving away pizza.
I'm like, so, it's, imagine, like, so.
Wait, cake, we already have that. Oh.
If what?
I'm giving away cake, but you already have that.
Ooh. She'd be like, never mind then. I'd be like, oh, fuck. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got plans that day. Imagine falling to fall damage.
Bro, these guys are straight dog water, bro. Like, I'm clapping these.
You still playing Zone Wars?
Zone Wars? I'm playing Minecraft A-Way, bro. I'm the best. I haven't lost 4 games in a row.
Same thing.
I haven't lost 4 games, Gabe, alright? So shut up.
It's the same thing.
No, it isn't. What the fuck? How's Pink
It
still?
really is.
Alright. Okay, don't mess up the speed bridge. Hey, fuck you! Try. Bitch ass. Boop. Boop.
Okay, you die, I think.
Really? This is what you've been doing the whole game. You've been sitting there getting fat, doing absolutely nothing. This is why you're adopted.
Jeez.
Hey, bitch!
Calm down.
Oh, what the fuck? Bro, you need to stop. You need to stop. Do you hear me a little shit? Bro, your fucking aim is garbage. Bro, I'm standing still and you're still missing me. Okay, never mind. Yo, can you get your mans over here? Like, please? Okay, well, go ahead and waste all your... Yeah, go ahead. Do you have any more ammo? Yeah, you fucking do. Of course you do, you little shit. Okay. You want not? You want to not, please.
Yeah, go ahead, press in 2 minutes.
Oh shit, well, fuck. How many hours are you gonna shoot at me until you realize you can't? The 21st, but we're having the 20th, because, you know.
Alright, just making sure.
Peekaboo. Hey, man.
It'd be funny if I showed up, like, tomorrow.
Wait, your birthday's tomorrow, right? No. When the fuck? I'm like, it says on the thing. It's like, oh.
Was I rebirthed?
What? Gabe, are you high?
Mind. Bruh, this lady, oh my god, I'll show you a video right now. This is such a... Okay, let me actually look for it. Hold up.
Karen's calling camera.
I want you to hear this, alright?
Remind me again. Who's that?
It's real, and I think people are lying about it.
Bro, why does it sound like Taylor Swift?
Because the other day I was
Look, let me send you the video. So dumb.
So dumb, bro. Yo, no fucking way. Okay, as I was saying, no way my man's about to kill me. Okay, wait, he might actually kill me. Hold on, wait, hold on. Bro, he fucking killed me!
Wait a minute.
I lost.
Dude, he said hold on. Wait a minute.
Bro, my man, kill me.
Hey, Chris.
Showing her watching this. Now watch this part.
Wait, how old is she? What's her at?
I don't think the Earth is
Never mind, I hear that accent.
People are lying about like Earth's existence.
No.
Because the other day I was looking through my telescope and I couldn't see Earth. All I could see was stars, and then I couldn't find Earth. It's fake.
Okay, you're
That was a different
using a telescope. That's fine.
Alright, hi everyone. I hope everyone's having a good day. Go ahead and work on your bell ringer and we'll get started in
Now,
a
if
few
you're trying to
minutes.
disprove Earth's existence by looking up using a telescope, what is the issue with that? You don't know? Okay, well, I'll tell you. No matter if Earth is real or not, you wouldn't be able to see Earth using a telescope because we're fucking standing on it!
I don't think that So, I found out the other day that to be born you have to have a birthmark. But like I don't have one, so I'm really scared that I'm not born. Like I'm like really worried. But yeah, if you don't have a birthmark then you weren't born, I'm just telling you. So
What the fuck?
Okay, welcome. We're still missing like quite a few people. So go ahead and work on your bell ringer and we'll get started in a few minutes.
Last but not least, I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. Last but not
Probably think a nigga need. I thought I was making you say I'm a cheat. They thought I was taking. I'm ready to mingle. The fuck is you saying, little? I do my little dancey dance. I feel my. Probably think a nigga need. I thought I was making you say I'm a cheat. They thought I was taking. I'm ready to mingle. The fuck is you saying, little? I do my little dancey dance. I feel my. Probably think.
Oh my god.
Okay, we'll give one more minute.
Oh my god. You got a cigarette, you goddamn lighter? Oh my god. You got a cigarette, you goddamn lighter? Oh my god. You got a cigarette, you goddamn lighter? Oh my god. Oh my god. You got a cigarette,
You read my mind, Gray. Okay, so it's 12:34. Everybody should have completed their bell ringer. Oh, wait, the sun's shining. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up the agenda. In the meantime, look at Faye's riddle. I come from a mine and get surrounded by wood always. Everyone uses me. What am I?
I'm touching myself tonight.
Anybody? Any guesses?
What? I come from a mine, get surrounded by wood.
Okay, well, you guys think about it. For the agenda for this week. So yesterday we had our telepath writing sample, which was like so much fun. So that was done yesterday. Thank you for everyone participating with that. Today we're going to take some notes. So be prepared for notes. You can take notes online, or you can take notes like by pen and paper. So what do you need to write down? There's a couple of bullet points that I need you to kind of copy and make sure you understand. And then if I repeat something, that is a huge, huge hint that you should be writing down what I repeat. Tomorrow we have our second writing sample, so be prepared for that. And then Thursday, I need to adjust this schedule. Thursday, we're going to actually practice with monohybrid crossing. Friday, I do not see my afternoon classes, but you're going to have some.
Yeah, but Iceland has Iceland
on Friday.
Right, you're right. I didn't even think of that.
Okay.
Yeah, good job.
So for today,
It was at this moment
we have
fucked up.
announcements and reminders. So one, if you're having trouble in the class, or you really don't understand like some of the interactive Google slides that I've been giving you, or you have a question about your grade, you need to come in for tutoring. And tutoring is not necessarily always just help. It's going to clarify things. Like earlier today, I made a mistake about somebody's grade, so that was a perfect time for them to come in and ask. And that's all you do. You come in, ask me, and then I can fix it. I don't want to take time away from class to do that. So if you have questions about your grade or are wondering things, tutoring is also kind of like quote-unquote office hours for you to come in and ask. If my tutoring times don't work for you, then you need to reach out to me and we can schedule a separate appointment. Today, we will learn about monohybrid crossing. Okay, so did anybody figure out phase? Let's see, an iron, a well, an axe. This one's a hard one today. Okay, so as we think about this, I do have an important announcement. Okay, so if you're not paying attention, pay attention now. On Monday, February 15th, that's this coming Monday, you will be taking the biology interim exam. So this coming Monday, February 15th, you will be taking the biology interim exam. So what do you need to do? I'm going to send out a link. It'll probably be my tutoring link. So all of my students are going to be in the same Google Meet. My people face to face. We have not gotten word if you're going to just come in here first and stay with me through third. Or if you all are going to go to a different classroom or area on campus. So that's the two options right now. You either come in here first period and stay with me through third, or you're going to go into an area on campus to do your test. So first period, you're going to log into the link that I'm going to send you, which is probably going to be the tutoring link. And then you are going to use it's called the STAR. Let me get my notes. I can't believe I just my notes. It's called the STAR online testing. It's the icon on your Chromebook with the Texas flag. STAR online testing application. If you don't have a Chromebook, I have a link for you. Okay? So, Manny, you figured it out. It's a pencil. Good job. Okay, so then what else do you need? You need to look for an email that was sent to you from Area. And I'm going to put it in the chat. Okay, so you should have gotten an email from Area at yisd.net. So that email gives you your user ID, your password, and your session number. Please look for it. Please find it. Please pin it. Please put it somewhere so on Monday morning you have access to it. Because I'm going to have like about 100 students in one link. And if everybody's like, oh, I can't find my login, what do I do? Blah, blah, blah. I won't be able to help everyone at once. But if you tell me ahead of time, like today, tomorrow, and you say I haven't gotten the link, then I'm not the link, I haven't gotten my credentials, I can send you your credentials. So make sure that you look for an email from them. Okay, so that was an important announcement. Any questions on the biology interim? Lots of testing, fun stuff. Okay, so it is going to be Aurora. It's going to be first, so from 8:30 till 11, right? Because that's when 11:01. So 8:30 to 11:01, you're going to be with me. You're welcome. Any other questions? No? Okay. Alrighty then. So, if you have some questions and you can't find your login information, please email me. And say, I never got the email, and then we can avoid chaos on Monday. Okay, so let me see if this will work. Log in.
Okay, give him a $500 million contract. Like that? Finally, Gabriel. Make him sound like Kermit the Frog. You choose violence. Every day you choose violence. Gabriel is going to be an extremely skilled two-time Super Bowl quarterback. Okay, give him a $500 million contract.
I'm not sure that she has you. Okay, so we're going to just do what we've done in the past. Okay. All right, sorry. So yes, Alex, Aurora, that's going to be at 8:30. All right, so let's get ready to take some notes. So you're either going to take them online or you're going to take them pen and paper. So we're going to cover genetics today. And there's some terminology that you need to know. I can never get comfortable and you guys are just staring at me. I love it. How did genetics begin? So first you do need to know what inheritance or heredity is. And that's the passing of traits from generation to generation. That's the passing of traits from generation to generation. So who discovered this? You need to know this guy. This guy is very famous. He is Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel. He was a monk, okay? And what he did with his spare time is he took pea plants, like the peas that you eat, and what he did, he cross-pollinated pea plants. So pea plants are generally like self-fertilized. So what he did is he took the pollen from different plants, pea plants. So we're talking about height, we're talking about different colors, like different shapes. So like if a pea was green versus yellow versus round versus wrinkly, and he cross-pollinated them. So when that happens, you have various traits. And what he did, he's followed these generation to generation to see which trait was expressed and which trait was carried. We'll go into that. So this began the study of genetics. So from this slide, what do I need to know? I need to know inheritance and heredity are the passing of traits from generation to generation, or the next generation, I should say, because it's like mom, dad, they pass it on, and then those kids reproduce. So heredity, inheritance, passing of traits to the next generation. You need to know about Gregor Mendel. He was a monk, and he's sometimes known as the father of genetics, and he cross-pollinated pea plants. And genetics. Genetics is the study of heredity. The study of heredity. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this first bullet, okay? What you do need to know is you need to know what an allele is. Allele is a fancy word for gene. Allele is a fancy word for gene. You do not need to know this, this first bullet. You do need to know about dominant and recessive alleles. So from this slide, what do we need to know? Allele is a fancy word for gene. Dominant allele. A dominant allele is when a gene is always expressed. It's always expressed. So for example, if I'm dominant for brown eyes, but carry a recessive trait, it doesn't matter. I'm always going to have brown eyes. So a dominant allele always is expressed. A dominant allele is always expressed. A recessive allele A recessive allele is carried, so it's genetically carried, but it is not expressed. So a recessive allele is something that is carried, but not necessarily expressed. So I may have brown eyes, but I could have a recessive trait for blue eyes. Very unlikely. My sister does have hazel eyes, but I didn't get that. But it's something that I carry, but it's not expressed. So, this slide, this entire slide is very, very important, because this is the way that we are going to determine in problems. This is how you're going to do testing. So the first thing is the idea that we are using capital letters and lowercase letters. It doesn't matter what letter we're using. If it is a capital letter, it's dominant. If it is a capital letter, it's dominant. If it is a lowercase letter, it is recessive. If it is lowercase, it is recessive. So for example, we're using the letter Y for pea plants that we're going to use them as an example, or peas. And the capital letter is dominant for yellow. This one is recessive for green, and I'll explain that in a second. You need to know what homozygous is. Homo prefix meaning same. So it's same letter, same size. Homozygous, same letter, same size. So if we have two capital Y's, that is known as homozygous dominant for yellow in this case. So it's homozygous dominant for whatever the trait is. This one, if it was two lowercase letters, it would be homozygous recessive for whatever trait. Homozygous recessive. Heterozygous is when you have a capital letter and a lowercase letter. A capital letter and a lowercase letter. So it's the same letter but different sizes. So hetero meaning different. So this is going to be heterozygous dominant for yellow. But it's the recessive gene is carried. So even if you're heterozygous, the dominant trait will be observed. The dominant trait will be observed. Okay, for this slide, you don't need the first bullet. You do need to know what a genotype is and then a phenotype. So a genotype is what is in your genes. So are you homozygous dominant? Are you heterozygous dominant? And what is the physical attribute that's given? So brown hair, brown eyes, short, tall, shoe size. So the genotype is on your genes. The phenotype is what characteristic you have. So like the physical characteristic. So the genotype is expressed through the phenotype. So you do need to know about the law of segregation. So this is through meiosis. Remember, meiosis is half the number of chromosomes. Remember, you produce gametes, which are sex cells. The example that we're going to use is, in fact, pollen, which is a way of fertilizing or helping a plant to fertilize itself. Heterozygous organisms are called hybrids. Heterozygous organisms are called hybrids. Okay, so you do not have to copy this, but I do want you to kind of follow me going from left to right what this represents. So you have a homozygous dominant yellow pea, and you have a homozygous recessive green. Remember, you have a gamete formation, so that means half.
No.
So you have
you whore.
Capital Y separated, and then its own other capital Y. And then you have two lowercase y's separated. If you were to cross one of them with the other, you have a capital Y, lowercase y, which is a heterozygous dominant for yellow, but the green is still carried. Green is still carried. So is everyone okay and following along? So the phenotype, Aurora, is the observed characteristic. So the phenotype is like the brown hair, the brown eyes, how tall you are, anything physical that can be observed. So it's the genome we can't see. So that's the genes. But the genotype is going to give us an observable characteristic. Any other questions? If you need me to slow down or stop or go back, please let me know. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, so you need both of these definitions. Both of these definitions. Okay, so a monohybrid cross involves one trait. A dihybrid cross involves two or more traits. It involves two or more traits. And then you do not have to copy this picture, but let me talk about it. So you have your parent. So you have, and please pay attention to the way that I use terms. So this is homozygous dominant yellow versus a homozygous recessive green. Your gametes, remember, it's half. So a capital Y is crossed with a lowercase. This gives you a heterozygous dominant for yellow.
Me.
So if we crossed this is the first generation. If we cross this with the same heterozygous dominant for yellow, you have 1 of 4 possibilities. That's the F2 generation. So let's go on.
Gabriel is going to be an extremely skilled 2-time Super Bowl quarterback.
So this, you need to copy, including the example.
Like that? Oh, finally, Gabriel. Make him sound like Kermit the Frog. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Okay, so let's look at this example. So this is what we're going to be practicing on Thursday. So you're going to be using a Punnett square that is used to predict the possible offspring between 2 genotypes. So you have a capital T, which represents the ability to roll your tongue, and a lowercase t, which is the inability to roll your tongue. So you have a female gamete. This is a symbol for female. And a male gamete. So remember that they form, it's half, so they're split. So both of them happen to be heterozygous dominant for the ability to roll their tongue. So if they had the possibility of 1 in 4, or they're out, like it would be their children, they have a 1 in 4 chance for their child to be homozygous dominant for the ability to roll their tongue. That is 1 out of 4 possibilities. That's also 25%. And then you have the possibility of heterozygous dominant. That's 50%, because it's 2 squares. That's 1/2 or 2/4. And you have a 1 in 4 chance for it to be homozygous recessive, or the inability to roll the tongue. Does everybody understand where I got those percentages? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Next slide. You do not have to worry about this bullet. You do need to worry about this. So this is hybrid dihybrid crosses. So with a dihybrid cross, it's more than one trait. And the main thing that you need to know about a dihybrid cross is that you're going to have 16 squares because you're dealing with 2 different traits, not 4. So you can see that it's either yellow and round and dominant, or it is green and wrinkled. Any questions? We are going to have I'm going to show you an example on Thursday of mono crosses, and then that's going to be your assignment for that day. Thank you, Faye. Anyone else? Okay, so with that being said, remember that tomorrow you will have another essay. Okay, so you'll have another essay. On Thursday, I'm going to give you like 2 examples of monohybrid crosses, and then we're going to do an assignment. Friday will be, I don't see you, so it'll be something simple like an ed puzzle. And Monday is your interim exam. So be prepared to join me first period, and you're going to be with me first, second, and third. So if that's all, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Hello, Diego. Guys, your assignments on Google Classroom, pretty simple. Once you're finished with it, submit it and let me know, okay? I'll let you guys go a little bit early. Hello, Victoria, Vita, Juan, how are you? Fine, and you? Thank you, sir. Doing well, doing well. Your assignment's on Google Classroom, okay? I already did. You did? Okay. Well, just hang tight for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna take attendance, okay? Okay, sir. All right. Diana, Diana, how you doing? Dominique, how you doing? Adeli? Skylar? Your assignment's on Google Classroom, okay? Yeah. Those of you that just joined me, the assignment's on Google Classroom, okay? Submit it when you're done and let me know. Alright, I'm gonna take attendance, guys. So if you can say here or type it, okay? Julissa. Julissa, you here? Dominique. Juan. Juan, you here?
Here.
Thank you, sir. Mia.
Here.
Thank you, Mia. Nicholas. Nicholas, no. Brooke. Brooke, you here? Amelia. Amelia. Nope. Caitlin.
I'm here.
Thank you, Caitlin. Isaiah. Isaiah, no. How about Skylar? Thank you. Mr. Skylar. Brandon. Brandon, you here? Juan.
Here. I'm here too.
Okay, Juan Diaz and Juan Munoz are here. Okay. Diego.
Here.
Michaela.
Here.
Thank you. Isabella. Thank you, Isabella.